Hey guys, welcome to another video. First of all, thanks for subscribing to my channel and thanks for love and support. So today we have reached this number 1000 subscriber and I'm really very happy about it. I want to thank each one of you whoever has subscribed and even liked, comment and everything we have done for my channel. Again, we are a family of 1000, so there are a lot of new content that is going to come about information security. Now, to be honest, I have never ever pinged anyone to come to subscribe to my channel or even comment about anything, right? So it is a purely genuine subscriber. All those I have subscriber right now is all genuine subscriber. That's what make me really very happy. Now if you look at the likes and comments, so if you see 99% of are positive like, which is really appreciable. And also I have never ever left anyone without responding to the comments. So I have always responded to all my comments that have done on my channel or any particular video. If you have written anything, I have definitely replied to you guys. So that is why we have built a very good communication between each other. I have already made videos on buffer overflow attack, networks, try hack me, hack the box, and so many different things about bug bounty, and videos like top 3 cyber security certification for beginners, expert and other things that whatever I know I tried share. Now there are many more content in plan and I will be definitely making more and more videos on different topics, so please keep the trust on me and I promise you that I will be making more and more videos soon, right? And please remember, cyber security is one of the rare fields where it's an ocean of learning. You'll have to learn every day in, day out, every day, every moment. So there is never end to this particular domain. So please keep your tenacity on and keep learning, keep growing. So right now I am at my village where I have grown and developed, and probably I have just a head massage from my mom, but I was very curious to make this video. That's why I came directly to here and make this particular video. Probably this is the very few number 1000. I know that is a very small number or very tiny number, and even I have very tiny knowledge and try to share everything with you guys. So we are going to grow much bigger and bigger, and I promise you once we reach 25,000 subscriber, probably I will make a free giveaway certification or maybe sponsor for a certification for any particular our subscriber. So please do share this channel with everyone and let us grow, so that one day we reach to this number and we will definitely make it big. Now thanks again from the bottom of my heart, and thanks to each one of you. Do share my channel videos with everyone so that they get educated, and we need more people on information security like you. So thanks for everything. Have a nice day. Bye bye.